Hiccups are those annoying little surprises that catch us off guard. They happen when our diaphragm suddenly contracts, often because we eat too fast, gulp down carbonated drinks, or even get a bit too excited. Each spasm is followed by a quick closure of the vocal cords, creating that distinctive hic sound. It's fascinating to think that this reflex is a leftover from our early development, a remnant of our body's intricate design. So, the next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body's quirky way of reminding you of your evolutionary past.